So, Jake walks into a coffee shop, right? He spots the most stunning girl he's ever seen, sitting alone, sipping her latte. He takes a deep breath, smooths his hair, and walks up. "Hey," he says, flashing his best smirk. "Are you a magician? Because whenever I look at you, everyone else disappears." She raises an eyebrow. "Oh, then why is the barista still here, and the guy behind you, and literally everyone else?" Jake stutters, but he's not giving up. Okay, but real talk, do you believe in love at first sight, or should I walk by again?" She sips her latte, unimpressed. "Try again, but maybe trip a little. I like a man who can laugh at himself." Determined, Jake steps back, takes a deep breath, and dramatically pretends to trip, except he actually trips. His arms flail, his coffee flies, and he lands flat on his back. She bursts out laughing. "All right, that was smooth, in a clumsy way. I respect it. Sit down, goofball." And just like that, the riz worked. Sort of.